It's February 20th, 2026. I am on my way to San Ramon for one of the first swarm calls of the season. We're going to try one of two things. If they're peace-loving bees, then I will attempt to scoop them by hand and gently put them in the box, one handful at a time. If they are stinging bees, we will just disconnect the umbrella and shake them into the box. Come with me and watch a swarm. And already I'm realizing I should have moved the sheet. Oh, there we go. First couple stings. They didn't like that. And I'm going to try to see if I can get this guy. I think I got him away without his stinger staying in me. So that's good. Okay. Well, we've already flubbed it a little bit. We got a few on the ground. We'll make sure the queen's not there. Okay. Okay, do you smell bananas? That is their alarm pheromone. So they have started going into the hive. Some of them at least are marching into the hive. So we may have got the queen in there. We'll see where they gather, but I'm gonna go ahead and get.
Yeah, let's hope that queen's in there.
Yeah, I see that they're fanning in front of the hive, so that's usually a good sign. 2 stings so far. Once they know where the queen is, they release a swarm pheromone, which is smells like lemongrass. There's a lot in the box. I think they're figuring it out. I better go ahead and get my coat. But they are going in the box there, I can see.
See that? No, it's heavy and awkward.
The idea is getting them shook onto the sheet, they'll just crawl right in. Okay, so there they are. There's the hive. We started by scooping them in, but then I made a decision to try to pick up the umbrella and knock some of them in, and they didn't like it. They got a little aggressive. So I had to go ahead and get my coat, put that on. Anyway, now 95% of them are in the box. They're happy with their new home, so it's a good day.